You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, kitty kitty, you the wrong, get enough to drink, what a drop.
What's going on, everybody? What's up, guys? Hoping you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, to this face, welcome to my channel. So guys, that's how I thought my year will end, but let me tell you guys, the truth is okay, no, I won't say the truth right now. Let me just show you guys and then you'll tell me, did this year end well for me? So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how much YouTube paid me in the whole of 2021. Definitely, I promise and I deliver. I always promised I'll show you how much YouTube paid me in that whole year. It's now time. Finally, we are done with that series of how much YouTube pays me. So in case you've missed those videos, I'll definitely put the suggestion here so that you guys can go and check that playlist. I've been showing you guys how much YouTube pays me each and every month. Go and check those videos out. Yep. So how much YouTube paid me for 365 days? I want you guys by the end of this video to tell me, would you start a YouTube channel considering this is how much YouTube pays? Would you really start a channel? If you are a YouTuber, you can comment and tell me whether this is the same case to everybody or it's just me. Guys, like this video. I know it's gonna be so informative. So even before we begin, please like this video and don't skip those ads, because those ads are the reason why we are here right now. That's why we are here talking about them. So yeah, don't skip any ad and don't forget to like this video. If you've not liked any of my videos in 2021, please, this is the year for you to start liking my videos. I really do get encouraged when I see those likes. So yeah, like this video. Anyway, let's get into the video. We'll start with the views. I want to show you guys how many views I made in the whole of 2021 for 365 days. Let's see how much views I made. So I made 62,450, you guys. I really need those claps, yo. Gathering 62,000 views, considering I am a, unpopular girl who doesn't know anybody, but I actually gained 62,000 views. Wow, that's a really good trial. You guys, as you can see, between the month of April and August, the peak is so high. Those zigzags, they are so high, meaning most of the views I got were between April and August. That's when my channel started to blow up last year in 2021. So yeah, let's see actually in the whole year which were my top videos. If you've watched all my videos, you can relate, and if you've not watched, you can watch these videos that I'm going to show you. So let's see the top videos so that we can know which are those videos that were making my channel to get 62,000 views the entire year, and the videos that actually made me earn the amount of money that I'm going to show you. But I'll put the timestamps in the comment section or in the description so that if you want to skip this part and go to the revenue part, you can. But if you want to see the analytics, then keep watching. So as you can see, 5 apps that make me money. This video has 29.8k views. This video has always been making me wonder, it has made many people come to my channel. It's the reason most people actually came to know about my channel. I'm really grateful, guys. Yeah, and the next video is apps that pay you. It has 5.4k. How I make $500 at 23-year-old, 4.1k. How to start a YouTube channel. Guys, I made this video in 2020. Right now it has 2.9k. When I made this video, it did not even get views. I wondered, kwani people don't want to know how to start a channel. To my surprise, in 2021, the video got views, And then 10 apps that pay. It has 1.1k. How to make money with Safaricom Pochi. La Biashara 1.2k. Bedsitter 1.0k. This video of Bedsitter apartment tour was among my first videos. I think it's the 5th video that I made here on YouTube, and it's still getting views. You know, online jobs in Kenya that pay 1k views, and then the others made less than 1,000 views. You know, those are too little views for a whole year. The entire year, and the video only has 1,000 views, and I keep, you know, posting, I keep pushing. Yo guys, I think if not giving up was a person, that would be me. I don't give up. Even though they don't get views, I keep posting because I know at least I have 20 or 30 loyal fans, and they're the reason why I keep posting. Let's go to the YouTube traffic source. For the entire 365 days, let's see where most people are watching me from. As you can see, most videos have been watched from, most people have seen my videos through suggested videos, and then YouTube search, and then other YouTube features follow. Yeah, so it means my videos are actually YouTube friendly because many people are searching and they are being recommended to my videos only thanks to YouTube. That's why I tell you guys, just start a channel. You never know when it's going to get views. And also another thing, YouTube is going to promote it for you. So in case you're just there, you don't start a channel because you think nobody knows you, so you won't get views. Let me encourage you guys today and tell you to start immediately. Start as early as now, so that by the end of the year, you'll have at least 2 or 3 subscribers, you know, if not 1,000. You never know with YouTube. Somebody may start today and by the end of the month, they have 1,000 subscribers. So all you need to do is post, and don't give up. When you're about to give up, remember me. And then you stop. Let me tell you a fun fact, guys. By the end of the year 2021, I was hoping to get 10,000 subscribers. Imagine. Right now, I have only 2.9, but I'm not complaining, okay? Anyway, let's continue with the video. Let's go to the audience. And as you can see, guys, most people who watch my videos are between age 18 to 24. And then 25 to 34, and then 35 to 44 are very few, 0.9. They are not even 1%. So the entire year, most people who are watching me are between the age of 18 to 34. That's a good thing. I think it's not that bad. And then the male, 41%, female, 59%. That's not a bad thing. And yeah, let's look at the top geographies. Let's see which countries have been watching my videos in the year 2021. Yeah, I always tell you, the place where they are located actually determines how much YouTube pays because of CPM. Kenya has very low CPM. African countries have very low CPM. But UK, US, you know, those countries have very high CPM. So if most of your viewers are from those countries, you're sure you'll get more money. But if your viewers are from Kenya or Nigeria or Uganda or Ghana, you'll get less. But views are views. For me, I appreciate everything. I don't even complain. I don't like complaining. Whichever country watches my video, I just love it. I love. So guys, as you can see, Kenya is the first one, followed by US, followed by South Africa, then Nigeria, then Uganda. Really, if you're watching this and you're from any country, feel appreciated, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope I don't disappoint you. Please keep on watching my videos, and yeah, keep on commenting and liking. Tell me the kind of videos you want to see, you know. As you know, guys, I always do what you guys want to see. So if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, comment down below and tell me. Yeah, as you can see, 91% have not subscribed to my channel, and then 9 have subscribed. So it means most people who watch my videos have not subscribed to my channel. I don't know how terrible that is. Anyway, guys, let's go now to the most awaited part. How much YouTube paid me in the year 2021. I want you guys to know that there are so many things that actually determine your payment here on YouTube. This is just for my channel, and somebody else may have a different revenue. So if you really want to know the actual amount YouTube pays, you have to compare many channels. For example, mine is mostly about financial stuff, and you might find another channel with health and fitness, another one of beauty, another one of vlogs. Different different topics give you different revenues. And also geographies. As you've seen, most people are watching me from Kenya and then US. Another channel may have views from UK and Canada and whatever. So it always depends. And then another factor is views. You've seen the entire year I only made 62,000 views. So the revenue you are going to see here is for 62,000 views. So definitely there are so many things that actually determines the amount of revenue you get paid. And then another thing, guys, I actually started getting paid in July. So from January to June, I was not making any money. My channel was not monetized. So this is the money I made from July to December, okay? Don't get this twisted. Don't get this twisted, okay? Okay, guys. Anyway, I think in 2022, since I'll be making money from January to December, I'll show you at the end of the year how much YouTube now will have paid me. Anyway, guys, let me show you how much YouTube paid me in the month of... How much YouTube paid me in the year 2021. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see how much YouTube pays me? Yo, I don't know. I think nobody shows their salary. But anyway, let me show you guys. In case you're curious and in case you want to start a channel so that msinilaumu, msiseme sikuwaonyesha, okay? Anyway, this is how much YouTube paid me in the last 365 days. Yeah, $57.15. That's 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Imagine. But anyway, this is from July to December. July, August, September, October, November, December. Half an year. Yeah, that's how much YouTube paid me basically for half an year, for posting for half an year. And I want to show you guys how much now YouTube paid me each and every month. In case you've been missing my videos on how much YouTube pays me in July, August, September, October, I did all those videos except November because I was not intending to post a video in December. So let me show you guys how much now I got paid each and every of those months, so that you can see every month actually pays differently. And if you want to find more insight, go and watch those videos so that you can see how many views I got. So as you can see, guys, in July I made $7.29. In August, 7.9. In September, 7.7. October, $10.9. I made the most money in October. Why? Because I posted each and every day. So in November, I made 9.7. In December, I made 9.8. Guys, you go and check those videos out. Those videos I made, how much YouTube paid me in July, how much YouTube paid me in August, in September, so that you can see the details and so that you can see how many views I was making in each and every of those months, because every month actually I made a different amount of views. So if you want to know how many views brought about maybe this $10 for October or that $7 for July, go and check those videos out. I know, guys, I've been really inconsistent previously, but right now I'm consistent. So I want to see how much will YouTube pay me for being consistent in this year, 2022. You guys keep watching my videos. You know I will deliver. I will show you. So keep watching my videos. Keep subscribing to my channel. Keep liking my videos also so that you won't miss. Let's see. I've already showed you my top videos in that year. Let's see how much these videos made. So I'll show you my top earning videos. Let's see. This video of 5 apps that pay me money. It had 29.5 5k views, it made $29.58. So 29.5k views, $29.58. Do you guys see that? It's like for every 1,000 views, I was making $1. And then now the next video, how I make 500,000. This video had 4.1k views and it has $3.15. So you can see, guys, different videos are making different views and different amount of money. Another video, 5 sites that pay to write cards. This video had less than 1,000 views for that entire period, that entire year, yet it is the third most earning video. Ime defeat hizo zingine. It has defeated even the videos that made 4k views. It has $2.83. You guys can see now the difference. And then apps that pay you real money, $2.47 yet it had 5.4k views. And we have Safaricom Pochi la Biashara. This video actually amuses me. It made 1,000 views within 2 months. Yeah, and you can see it's really making me money because it has $1.79. Yet this video is, I think it's the shortest video I have posted on YouTube because it's only 4 minutes long, but it's so informative. I think that's why it's making me so much money. So you guys can see, if you do informative videos, it doesn't matter. Even if they are short, they can still make you money because I have videos that are super long. I have a video that is 29 minutes long. And it's not even on the list of my top earning videos. So I think even sometimes the length does not really matter when it comes to making money. Although people say the longer the video, the more the amount of money you make, the more the amount of views you make. But I don't think so, because you can make a long video which is not even informative. So I think it really depends on the content of that video. If that video is really useful to people, then it's going to make you money. Hi, let's see in that entire year the most viewed ads. As you can see, guys, I had skippable ads which had 67.3%. Most of the ads that are put on my channel are skippable ads, and they're the ones that make money. I always ask myself, why don't non-skippable ads make more money? As you can see, they are the least earning ads. I don't know. Yet the skippable ads are the ones people skip. You know, non-skippable ads, people don't have the option to skip. But the YouTube algorithm is usually different. It's not easy to tell. So guys, that's basically how much YouTube paid me in the year 2021. That entire year, bearing in mind I only started earning in July, so for 6 good months. That's how much YouTube paid me. I know this video is informative. You guys, please like this video and comment down below. Tell me the kind of videos you expect to see. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be posting more often, and also I'll be updating you on how much YouTube is paying me. That's basically the salary of a Kenyan YouTuber. I don't know what you guys think. Please, this should not make you judge any YouTuber. This is only a rough idea. It's only giving you a rough idea of how much YouTube pays, and you guys can see my channel is a small channel. It has not grown. So definitely the amount of money I'm making cannot be compared to someone who has maybe 10,000 subscribers, or 20,000 or 100,000. This is for just my channel, okay? And I'm still trying to grow my channel. Yeah, if you watch more of these related videos, that's when you'll be able to compare and come to a conclusion. So if you're doing a survey or something, watch other videos. So subscribe so that we can be friends. This is new year. I need more friends. I need more subscribers. Yeah, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I'm so sure we are going to hit that. So smash the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I post, you get notified, so that you can help me in this journey towards 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year.